Shawn Storm sound like him bad up on the gun song them than the positive song them. Them say, look my gun, my yard, it clap me no miss when it aim call the target lock. Boom, that's up. Yo, Shawn Storm is back with a very, very, very bad song. It's called Three Stooges. No, Shawn Storm look like him at top Foota hype KHAGO and DEVA BRATT. See how now fuck with Shawn Storm. I want to make Shawn Storm come back for revenge now. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, make a jump on the video right now.
Three Stooges, Three Stooges, Three Stooges, Three
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Stooges.
Curly, Larry, Mo. Larry, at the biggest stooge. Fire one shot, him make news. The one when him Curly, every song him call me name. Look up.
Pull it up. Come back. Come back. Come back again. Come, Shawn Storm.
Three Stooges, Three Stooges, Three
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Stooges.
That's how we are big enough.
Stooges.
Curly, Larry, Mo. Larry, at the biggest stooge. Fire one shot,
Who name Larry?
him make news. The one when him Curly, every song him call me name. Look a pussy wolf, he get views. One name more. The little fucker cover your fuck. If war run as me select the shoe.
Who name Mo? Who name Curly?
Him drop 3 song in a 3 day. Nobody now press replay. DJ, 3 stooge can run relay. Man to man, you can't trust these day. Can't shake you when you bust these key. Everything you do them watch me. Dog I saw these.
Is this Shawn Storm? Is this Shawn Storm right now?
The one when him Curly, every song him call me name. Look a pussy wolf, he get views. One name more. The little fucker cover your fuck. If war run as me select the shoes. Him drop 3 song in a 3 day. Nobody now press replay. DJ, 3 stooge can run relay. Man to man, you can't trust these day. Can't shake you when you bust these key. Everything
Is this Shawn Storm?
we do them watch me. Dog I saw these day. Till the people them a say easy. Shubo, the one that get out show. Better build a grave for you a build Falco. Yo, Larry, one
Not a KHAGO. The whole Falco business is KHAGO for sure. KHAGO
tell
farmer.
more. Look out, look. From a papa, for book. 3 stooge cook. What that them a do for migrate? What that? No man can't see out a eye plate. Not a 2 man in a video a gyrate. When it's the pussy one, me write me song them, me no pirate. Shut up, man, shut up. Every minute, but what up? Shut up. All if woman cut up. For see him, mud up. Shut up. When she go home and see him bedded, blood up. Shut up. All pan him mouth corner, nut up.
Shawn Storm. What to you? Are you right that song, Shawn Storm?
Shut up, man, shut up. Every minute, but what up? Shut up. All if woman cut up. For see him, mud up. Shut up. When she go home and see him bedded, blood up. Shut up. All pan him mouth corner, nut up. What you say? Come up with all the dread and chew it. Hold the body one and kick it like a ball. Catch the pedophile, make a big woman. Fuck it, kill it. Gaza zombie, full of lyrics, full of gimmicks too. Now have a lyrics book. Whatever lyrics hook. Fans them willing to. They pay for me kill him, so me kill him too. That's why the boss will him too. No. Nobody. Can't see if any bullet are drilling you. Why zombie? Them not killing up. What play hero? They're villain up. One chip black, be filling up. What in a idiot plate? Shitty 9 plate straight. Don't talk.
Shawn Storm really and truly have it. Shawn Storm sound like him bad up on the gun song them than the positive song them.
This how I great. Look over here. Shitty 9 plate straight. Lyrics resonate for days, sicker than years. Stuck in our ears, fans amaze. Every bar, every phrase, a Gaza ways. Every line, every rhyme, a grave dig. Mount a metaphor spit like a AK never stick. Me quick to kill, me equipped to kill. Them 3 stooges, yeah, I get dismissed. Them I get dismissed. Yo, X. Make sure this.
Shawn Storm did something right here. Shawn Storm come to execute 3 man one time.
Three Stooges, Three Stooges, Three Stooges, Three Stooges.
Alright. if we're gonna be 100% honest, I'm gonna talk you truth. Shawn Storm diss every man and Shawn Storm lyrical. Now, I know Shawn Storm the lyrical when him start, they try going like him on this I don't know, you see me? You know, I don't know, I'm an artist, but Shawn Storm is talented artist. I mean, I take that from Shawn Storm none at all. And I think this song is definitely a very good song, very good this song. I give it a 10 out of 10, especially the flow of the song. I like the flow. I like the lyrics of the song. You see me? I think him got hard in the second verse. Now, one thing that I love if like the artist them can just go hard in about first and second verse. You see me? It's like when you're supposed to fight on yourself to make sure so the first verse tough. Where's the second verse? When I go fight to make sure so the second verse can match up to the first verse. You see me? So that's one thing with me, you know. If I listen to a song and the first verse don't really sound that good, it's like I lose interest. You see me? But not saying this song didn't have that. I'm just saying generally. This song first verse to the last verse bad. So Shawn Storm song 10 out of 10 me G. I'm glad to say you come out and I make some music. You see me? I'm glad to say you're consistent too. Because you make some money per song. Yeah, drop your music them youth and we love that. You see me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.